about that. Alright, flight number 3. Flying by Sir Marcus of Queensberry Rules.
Time to start.
Man, you add rudder to it, it just straightens it right up. And then what's the a beautiful flying plane. It wasn't too bad to set up. That was the first time, other than just connecting everything to a bind yesterday. I don't have any other batteries that I can fly this on. I don't have any. I got like biggest 4-cell I got is a 4000. I don't have any 5 cells. I'm gonna try not to run batteries in series to power this. But who knows, that may change. I can't really, I know I had fun flying the Carbon Z Cub, but I can't, I don't know. This kind of reminds me of it. Flat turret. That probably wasn't even on camera. That was a nice little flat turret.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
The last battery, it was like at 47%, 23. Both batteries have been 23 something when I brought them in, like 2340. So I could probably bump it up 2 minutes. Flying mixed throttle. Easy. But I was going to take it easy on these batteries.
Time to stop.
Whoa.
Time to start. Time to stop.
Flare up in the wind.
Time to stop.
Takes some rudder to keep it flying straight with the crosswind. Yeah, it's even with the aura working as well. You know, it's getting to work out. I checked everything to make sure it was working yesterday in the yard.
Time to stop. Time to start.
I didn't even drink any. I just had like barely a half a beer yesterday in preparation for flying today. No, I'm just kidding. I don't always drink a lot. Alright, let's see what we can do.
Time to stop.
Oh yeah, it's nice into the wind. Like that.
Time to start.
So,
Time remaining 1 minute.
polish one off on
Time
that.
to stop.
Yeah. Nice.
Time to start.
Do a left turn into the wind here.
Time to stop. Time to start.
I just hope we can keep flying here. We had a little incident
Timer stop.
last weekend.
Timer start. 30 seconds.
It was more of a misunderstanding and the
20
victim
seconds.
of circumstances, so I think we're going to be okay.
10, 9, 8.
At least I hope so, because I like flying
6,
here.
5.
My wife thought I was going to the beach. I was like, no, I don't think so.
Timer stop. Landing flaps.
I don't need an excuse to go to the beach though, but not on Christmas Eve. Gotta be home.
Timer start.
Wow, look at the wind. The
Timer
wind's drifting it.
expired. Flaps up.
Alright, I had to abort. The wind has kind of shifted. Now it's blowing off my back. And it was, I was using all the rudder I had, and it was still, with the flaps, it was still drifting.
Takeoff flaps.
I'm not going to put full flaps on. Alright, it's going to be a crosswind or...
Timer stop.
Mayday, mayday, mayday! No, we don't need
Timer
crash cards.
stop.
Just bring her down the runway. A lot of rudder. A lot of rudder. Alright.
Timer stop. Timer start. 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 Timer stop.
I ended up having to put it in the wind. It was drifting.
Timer start.
Even with
Timer
those,
stop. Flaps up.
even with those little bit of landing flaps, I shouldn't have had any flaps on there. Because man, with them flaps, it just, in the ground effect, it just did not want to come down. Alright, so I learned a little bit of playing full flaps and winding the tings. I'd have had to use way too much power. There you go. 3 in a row. It's blowing backwards.